Each year, September 17th is observed as World Patient Safety Day, and at Piramal Pharma Solutions, we celebrate it as Patient Centricity Week. This year's theme, Safe Care for Every Newborn and Every Child, reminds us that safety starts from day one. Here's a glimpse of our celebrations.
This year, it's also the World Health Organization has chosen a theme around patients, which is safe care for every newborn and every child. And the rally call is Patient Safety from the Start. So we want to think about that in the first moments of birth, and where newborns represent the future, and the most vulnerable at that time. They can't speak, they can't walk, they can't choose the care. They rely completely on us. So when harm happens at this fragile stage, the consequences can last a lifetime. So the WHO has called upon us, governments and healthcare professionals and CDMOs to rise to this challenge, and for that means to embedding patient safety into everything we do. Medicines we develop, the therapies we manufacture, the systems we strengthen, and the partnerships we build, because for every step, from innovation to delivery, has the power to safeguard a child's future. So again, today, let's renew our commitment as professionals and as human beings to protecting the most vulnerable, because when we ensure safe care for every newborn, we are not only saving lives, we're building a future.
So we say patient centricity is one of our cultural priorities. We say the patient is at the center of everything we do, and I'm a logical guy, so I like to think about these logical elements. But in the end, also, I like stories, because I learned that I remember things through stories, and so I'm really excited to share this experience with you all that you're going to have over the next few minutes, because you're going to hear a lot of really compelling stories about real life patients and how what we do in our roles can make a difference for patients. And I find that when I have a difficult choice to make, thinking about the patient at the other end of that choice usually makes the choice a lot easier. And so I'm really excited to share with you all of these stories that you're going to hear over the next hour or so. And I just really look forward to you enjoying that and finding the one that resonates most with you, that you can help remember that when it comes to that moment when you have that choice you have to make.
Across our global sites, colleagues united under one purpose, putting patients at the heart of everything we do.
Patient centricity is at the heart of Piramal Pharma. It is not just a principle, it is the way we think, the way we work, and the way we serve. No matter the role or level, each contribution ultimately impacts the life of patients across the world.
Our work begins in lab, but its ultimate goal is to reach the patient's lives worldwide.
Patient centricity is very simple. Patient's life first.
Patient centricity means designing studies and treatments around the needs and experiences of the patient.
Being in quality control and patient centricity kind of go hand in hand with each other.
We all need someone to fight for, whether it's a parent, a child, or a stranger. It makes the work that we do real. Having a part to play in the process to make medicines and to make patients' lives better is a source of pride for me.
Patient centricity for me means keeping the patient at the forefront of all the decisions that we make, ensuring that our staff are trained to manufacture products accurately and compliantly so that there's no delay to our patients' treatment program.
It means I give my best to go the extra mile even when having a bad day.
Putting a quality product to the patient on time and full.
Patient centricity is highly personal for me. Like most of you, my family has been impacted by medical conditions, and my passion is to help reduce the burden of disease, saving people's lives, and making a dramatic impact on the world.
Our work makes a difference in people's lives. It's embodied in the Piramal Foundation and Piramal Pharma.
Every decision we make on site, from the shop floor up to the leadership team, we have the patient in mind.
It's bringing the customer on my shoulder every single day and thinking, what would she or he think about the decision I'm about to make?
It's really connecting to the core values of Piramal of knowledge, action, care, and impact.
By aligning our mission with that of our customers, we become a better partner. Because delivering for customers is not just a business priority, it's a people priority.